Hey guys, what is your favorite swallow? Is it amala? Is it pounded yam? Is it garri? Is it fufu? Akpu? Get it ready because today we are going to be making this authentic Ofe Nsala white soup. Okay guys, so for our Nsala soup, we have here the major protein is the chicken. We'll be using this chicken here, the cow legs, and here we have the okporoko, okay, the stockfish, and here we have the dry fish, okay, here we have the crayfish, here we have our local spice. This is oda and this is ehulu. What does it even call? What did I call it in English? I don't know. Please, someone should help me. And here we have the UTAZI leaf. Okay, my own is dry from Nigeria, and of course, I have my knorr here. So these are the major ingredients we're gonna be using to make this delicious soup. Okay, and of course, here is our yam. I'm going to slice this yam and get it ready. Okay, now let's start cooking. Our chicken is already sitting pretty. Cow legs. I'm gonna season the meat with some salt, some seasoning powder, and pepper. That's all we need for the meat. So I did not add any water here. This water from the chicken will bring it to a boil a little bit, and we'll take it from there. So at this point, I'm going to add some water to it. As you can see, it has boiled at some point. Some water. Now add our yam, which I'm going to be taking out once the yam is done, okay, because this yam is going to serve as our thickener. I think this needs some more water. Next thing to be added is our stockfish and our fish. This food is going to be ready very soon. Let's add our crayfish, our spice, seasoning cubes, okay, and last but not the least, we're adding now is the yam paste. Take a look at the way it's looking. The blender did a great job, right? Yes, it did. My camera is not even doing justice to this. So we're adding this as the last ingredient, guys. Let's go. We're going to let it, allow it to dissolve. Then we'll come back. Oh my goodness. I'm adding my UTAZI leaves. Sprinkle it. This UTAZI is so bitter, so you don't need a whole lot of it. Hey. Okay guys, our food is ready. White soup, authentic Ofe Nsala. The reason why this soup is called white soup is because we don't prepare it with palm oil. Out of 95% of soup in Nigeria are made with palm oil, and this soup is literally the only, God, if I'm wrong, prove me, the only soup that is made without palm oil. Everyone's favorite soup. Guys, just take a look at it now. Is it not giving completely? Okay, actually white soup is originated from Amambala people in Anambra state, Nigeria. Okay, they mainly cook this soup with some fresh fish, ice fish. Okay, but let me tell you that this fish can go well with any kind of meat, be it goat's meat, oh my god, turkey, chicken, just depending on your own preference. It goes well with all of it. Guys, I'm getting to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, give a beautiful comment, let us know what you will be pairing with this white soup. Me and my family will be enjoying it with some oatmeal. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.